I am here in Elkhart, Indiana at the Rocket Car Wash, and let me tell you, I have the best childhood memories here. When I pull up, I am greeted professionally with a huge smile on their faces, like they are super excited to see me. I cannot tell you the positive attitude that these boys have is unmatched. They serve Elkhart, Indiana, the city with the heart, with premium car wash specials and services tailored to fit your needs. When I was a child, I used to walk down these hallways and go on my tippy toes to look at the car. These guys work their hearts out. They are open 6 days a week. Go visit them at 515 East Lexington in Elkhart, Indiana. You will not regret it. Thanks, guys, for my amazing clean car. I love it. You guys are awesome.